the United States Supreme Court, established in 1789 by the country's Constitution, is the highest federal court. The court was initially composed of 6 justices, but that number increased to 9 in 1869, where it remains to this day. The Supreme Court plays a crucial role in interpreting the United States Constitution and determining the legality of laws. Its rulings have shaped American history, addressing issues of civil rights, individual liberties, and the balance of powers.
One of the most notable cases was Brown v. Board of Education in 1954, where the court decided that racial segregation in public schools was unconstitutional, marking a milestone in the fight for civil rights. Justices of the Supreme Court are nominated by the President and confirmed by the Senate, serving for life unless they choose to retire or are removed through impeachment, which is extremely rare. The Supreme Court continues to be a vital institution in American life, shaping the interpretation of the Constitution and deciding on issues that affect millions of citizens. Its role in American history and society is undeniable and will remain a pillar of the United States legal system.